Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Banco BPM online banking account in Italy. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step is to open up a web browser and then go to Google. Now in the Google search, type in Banco BPM online banking account, and then we want to click on the first result here from uweb.bancobpm.it. Now you'll come to this page where we need to accept the terms. Now I'm just going to translate to English. So I'm going to put this in English. Now from here we got on the home screen we got the login. Make sure on the login tab. So we need to put in our identification code. So this ID code is a 7-digit numeric code associated only with you. And then from here put in your password. So the password is an alphanumeric code of at least 8 characters. Then from here, we'll go ahead and click on sign in. Now, if you've forgotten your password, we can go ahead and click on reset your password and just go through the steps to regain your password, and then come back here and put your ID code in, password, and click on sign in. Now from here we need to authenticate securely. So if you use the U app as your security tool, you receive a push notification on your phone to approve the login. Also, if you use a physical token, you'll be prompted to enter the 6-digit code shown on the token after submitting your password. Then access is granted once authentication is complete.